Oh, that didn't sound good. So I got back from a road trip a few weeks ago. Got back, pulled into the driveway, started unpacking the car, taking your clothes out, take your camping gear out, come around the back here, open the rear bars, open the tailgate, fridge isn't turned on. It was off for some reason. Open it up, it's not cold at all the food in there has gone off. It just wasn't on. I've got to work out why it's off, and hopefully I can fix it because I'm going camping tomorrow and need the fridge for that. In this video, I'm going to try and work out why this stopped working and what I can do to try and fix it. Now, I know more about Ukraine's history than I do about fridges, and I know nothing about Asia. So it's going to be very interesting trying to work out why it's not working, and hopefully it's not too hard of a fix, but there's only one way to find out. Let's just get straight into it. So here's just quick proof the fridge isn't working. Power button doesn't work. Usually it comes up a display here, but that is not happening. There's no light inside here that usually is on. It is about as dead as a cruiser trying to go uphill. So that is obviously not working. It's fed from this plug here in the back. It's just a little cigarette plug. It just plugs into the side. And there's a set of fuses here. So if you pull these apart, this blue one here does the fridge. So pull him out and we'll go to see if he's blown. And to see if it's blown, all you do is check the bit of metal inside it. See how it's not connected there? That means this fuse has in fact blown. I'll show you, this is a good fuse. So this is a good fuse. You can see how the metal is connected here, but on this bad fuse, it's split apart. So we know the fuse has blown and that's what's caused the fridge to lose power. You have to chuck this fuse out, it's no longer good, but we've got this new one we can put in instead. So now we know that the fuse has blown and that's why the fridge won't power on. So now I'll unplug the fridge, put the new fuse in, and from there we can work out where the problem is. Fridge is unplugged. So just showing you what I did, I unplugged the fridge cable from the socket and then put the new fuse in, and it did not blow. So that means everything in the car system is fine. If it blew, it meant there's some internal wiring fault which would be annoying to fix, but with the fridge unplugged, the fuse is fine, which means everything in the car is good. So that means there's two things which could be causing the fault, either the fridge itself or the cable connecting the fridge to the outlet. Now the cable itself is a pretty easy thing to fault find and test, but the fridge is a whole different kettle of rocket science. So I'm going to start with the cable and see if that is what was causing the issue in the first place. So here's our cable. All I was doing then is just running my fingers through it to try and find any like cuts or nicks or scratches in it that could be causing it to short out and blowing the fuse. And I actually found something. So if I zoom all the way in, there's a tiny nick here in the cable. You can actually just see a tiny bit of copper. So if that was rubbing against anything metal in the back of the car, that would have been what was causing the short. Lucky for me, it's a pretty simple fix. All it needs is a bit of heat shrink over this cut, and then it'll be all good to go again. Rightio, so the lead is all fixed, all good to go again, and I've put it back in, so let's see if she works. Rightio, here we go, moment of truth. Oh yeah, straight away she turns back on. That is such a relief. Well, there you go, she's all back together, the fridge is purring away nicely, and we are all good to go for the trip tomorrow. The trip will be posted on this channel, so subscribe so you don't miss that, and I'll see you guys then.